All right, mates, welcome back. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Everybody's doing well. Thursday evening after 7. We're talking altcoins, talking tokens, talking about all we talked about the last 24 hours. Crazy opportunities that have existed across the board, being able to buy spot at ridiculously low prices in altcoins, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum, obviously. Did a video regarding the initial rise in Link breaking through its 7 and 21-day averages, and we know what that happened. It went from 20 to all the way up from 20, not 22, 20, all the way back up to the zone above 27. Okay, that was a big win on leverage for traders, obviously. Chainlink woke up, okay, like these tokens always do when they break through averages. Okay, it just fundamentally that's what happens. So what's happened to Link in the last 24 hours, right? What basically happened is the same behavior that typically always happens when you follow momentum indicators. And that's what you use as your methodology for how you trade, especially on leverage. We called it down here. Traders were in here. Okay. We saw Link max out right here. Okay. Right there at 86. Okay. It's overbought, mates. I don't care what the asset is. I don't care what the project is. It doesn't matter in the big scheme of things. From a technical basis, that is overbought. And when things get overbought, it is only a matter of that ticking clock that they will sell down. There's your trade. So you went from what we call a quick reverse trade. You went from buying up to riding it up its RSI chart to its max level, plateauing, and then it sold down. Okay, it sold from an 86 RSI on the 4 hour to a 55. Okay, 30 basis points, right? What does that look like? This is what it looks like from a high, okay, up here of 27.44, then down here to its low on its biggest stick with its highest volume of 22.25. That's what happens, okay? Now, what would trigger you to exit your sell, reverse again for a second time into a buy up for Link? Well, what would do it is it bounced off here. Okay. It's moving average. That's positive. So the moving average, look at these wicks. The moving average held support for her. Okay. Which is good fundamentally. Okay. And then now you've got the market recovering a little bit today. Okay. Now that it's taken in a lot of stuff that's happened in the last 24 hours. And you've got 8 hours plus 2, roughly 10 hours of green. Okay. But you're right just above, right now, you're trading at 25.07, just above its 21 day. So you want this stick to close above the current 21 day moving average on the 4 hour at 24.24. We're at 25.06. So you want this next candle, okay, at 8 p.m., this hour at 8 p.m. to close above that. And then you will see more volume come in to Chainlink, okay? Because it took its 21-day moving average out on the 4-hour candlestick. Now, let's dial it down a little bit, okay? Let's just take a look at the 1 hour, okay? And look at the 1 hour difference in the chart. We are currently just below the 7-day moving average, okay? And we're a little bit away from and above the 21 day. Okay, so there's a little divergence, kind of digression there. See how the cross right here? And you see that happening right here, right on that? That's significant on the 1 hour because you're getting lower. Okay, more people are paying attention to the 1 hour chart, probably the 30-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, maybe, than necessarily the 4 hour that we use. Okay, but we start there and dial back. Okay, so it's very interesting that at $25, it's sitting right above its 21 day and just really right on its 7 day. So what happens here in the next hour, which ends the 4 hour stick, ends the 7 to 8 p.m. stick, starts the next 4 hour stick, and starts the next 1 hour stick. It's critical for Link on whether or not Link is going to go back up and retest this 26